Here's a strong hook, a complete script, and optimized YouTube titles based on your video concept. Don't sell on Etsy. Do this instead and make $15,000 per month. Stop selling on Etsy if you want to make real money. Etsy is overcrowded, saturated, and full of copycats. But what if I told you there's a smarter, faster way to build a $15,000 a month business without competing with thousands of other sellers? Stick around and I'll show you exactly what to do instead. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever tried to sell on Etsy, you know it's not as easy as people make it sound. You list your product, wait for sales, and nothing happens. The truth is, Etsy is a race to the bottom. Today, I'm going to show you a better strategy how to build a $15,000 a month online business without depending on Etsy at all. Let's dive in. 1. Why Etsy doesn't work anymore. Let's be real. Etsy used to be great, but now there are millions of sellers. Everyone is underpricing to compete, and worse, Etsy controls your traffic. They can change the algorithm anytime, and your shop can go from $2,000 a month to $200 overnight. You're building your business on someone else's platform. That's risky. If you want freedom, steady income, and control over your brand, you need to build something outside Etsy. Part 2. What you should do instead. Here's the game changer. Sell your products on your own website using a platform like Shopify and drive your own traffic using digital marketing strategies. Why? You own the customer relationship. You set the rules. You can build a real brand and scale it. Now you might be thinking, but I don't know how to get traffic to my own store. That's where this gets exciting. Let me break it down step by step. Step 1. Build a one-product Shopify store. Pick one product, your best seller, or something with viral potential. Instead of 20 average products, you focus on one high-converting offer. Build a clean, professional-looking store using Shopify or even Canva's website builder. Keep it simple, one product, clear benefits, strong photos. Step 2. Drive traffic with TikTok and Instagram Reels. Right now, organic short-form video is the cheapest way to reach thousands, if not millions, of potential customers. Record 5 to 7 videos per week showing your product, behind the scenes, how it's made, funny skits, satisfying results. No need to show your face if you're not comfortable. Some people are making $15,000 per month from just one viral product using this method alone. Step 3. Use email marketing to get repeat sales. Here's the secret. Repeat customers are gold. Use tools like Klaviyo or MailChimp to send order follow-ups, exclusive discounts, behind-the-scenes updates. This builds a loyal fan base that buys again and again. Even if you sell physical items, try adding a digital product like an ebook, template, or guide related to your niche. No shipping, no inventory, 100% profit. Some sellers make more from their digital product than the actual product.